A whole slew of them. So, if the Black Eyed Peas were blessed with a Filipino audience, then I guess we lose. But I think if the majority of the Filipinos living in this side of the world, here in Dallas, Texas, then I think that's our edge over the Black Eyed Peas.
Yeah.
Maybe Apps will come and join us instead. Right?
Why not? I mean, he's joined us in ASAP many times.
Rock on.
There's one thing that I learned from Wawa Wee's Willie Revillame. When he was, we were talking backstage and he says, "Ano mo, Gary? Kasi maraming nagsasabi sa, I'll say in English, a lot of people ask him, how do you top the competing Eat Bulaga?" And he said, you know, I told these people, why are you going to look at Eat Bulaga, which is another show similar to, just for those of you who don't know. It's another show that's got Tito Vic and Joey and, Vic and Joey. But what he said, which really made me think and realize that this is what we ought to do as people, is he said that he doesn't look at them as competition. They have established themselves in a great way. He said, let's just do what we can do with what we have. We have our strengths, and that's what we need to, come out with. So, obviously, the concert is not going to be like the Black Eyed Peas concert. I've watched them, I've seen them actually, in one of the shows that they did in Los Angeles. They put up a great show. They really do. But ours, all I can say is with us, it's more than just a show. There's a message that we want to put across, and it's a timely message, especially now for this time. So, if there was no concert, if their concert was Saturday, if I was here, I'd be there. Me too. But this is one that probably would not happen again, for whatever reason it might be. Yeah, Black Eyed Peas will always be Black Eyed Peas, but this one as one, hopefully the next concerts or the next time we get to hear as one in Dallas is when we hear people following the example of what we are going to do tomorrow. Hopefully, that becomes the message that lives on.